Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. And if you're stopping by for the very first time, hi, I am Formosa Fantasy, and on my channel I do hair, makeup, and I dabble in some vlogs every now and then. Today I'll be creating this dramatic look for you using my Makeup in Yolando Extreme palette. It is not new to my channel, but I have the palette. Why not play around with it? Like experiment, try another colors, the whole works. So, without further ado, I won't be rambling. I'm gonna show you how I get this look. Stay tuned.
I've been making moves like a ninja. I could play it cool like I'm winter. I can make it rain like a cash tsunami. You wanna slip and slide, we can link.
A regular brown pencil in medium brown. You can use any pencil that you wish. You can use a pomade, don't matter. I'm just outlining my brows, and then I'll be filling it in with the same pencil. All right, yeah. Then I'm going to be using a spoolie, and I'm going to be brushing it out because we want somewhat of a natural brow for this look. Okay, so yeah, so we're going to be cleaning it up with some foundation. I opt to use foundation. You can use concealer, it doesn't matter. Just clean it up and take your time while cleaning it up. All right, because the brows frame the face. So I'm just blending out what I did, and then I'm basing my eyelid with the Beauti'Z basing ruler number 3 or 2, one of them, I don't remember. Oh gosh, so I'm just putting some translucent powder on, and this is the Plain Makeup by Yolando. Okay, look at that beautiful palette. Oh my god. So now I'm taking that light blue shade Teresa, and I'm just putting that in the first part of my lid. Yeah. Now I'm taking it, that slightly darker blue, and I am just deepening that thing, going back in with the first one, and it's like a lot of back and forth. So now I'm just cutting my crease. I'm not cutting it to the end. I'm cutting it like 3/4 of the way. So it's like the first third of my lid. Yeah, right. So I'm just creating the shape that I want. As you can see, it's like a shape going upwards. Yeah, because that's the exact shade that I wanted. So I just patting everything out. Now I'm going in with this white pigment. I'm using a fluffy brush for this because if you use a pack brush, it's not gonna work. So whatever colors that I went back in, that I did first, that's the two blue colors I'm going back in while blending everything else. So a nice transition from the white to the light blue to the darker blue. All right. Now I cut my cut like a wing shape. Yeah, somewhere like that, because this is gonna be like a floating eyeshadow type wing type looking thing. So I use Vaseline for that. Then I clean that off, and then I'm going to use concealer, and then I'm going to set the concealer with another shadow because I didn't want this part to look have any color. I wanted it to be like close to my skin. Yeah, so I'm using the same Beauti'Z concealer, and I'm just making sure my that edge is sharp, because that's the whole nice look. You got to pat off the excess, and then this is the color that I'll be going in Sharon. So I'm just placing that right there, making sure it's nice, dry, and matte. Okay, so now I am using this sexy metal. It's like glitter liner, and this is in the it's like a white clearish shade. Yeah, so I have to dry it because I didn't want no transfer, because like, yeah. So now I'm going in with this, like, it's a chunky glitter, but it's in liquid form. I prefer these to the other ones. Like, it's so much easier, but I'm running out. I need to get me some more, and I got these both glitters I got from Amazon. And I love them. Trust me, I love them. So look at that. Oh my God, I gotta dry, dry, dry. So now I'm just going in with that glitter right there, and I'm just placing it on the outer part, going all the way up to my temples. I'm just using my fingers to do this. I didn't want it to be like precise or uniform. I just wanted it to, be like there. So I'm putting it all from the entire part, go to my temples, and kind of blowing it out a little bit. I don't know, I just felt like doing it, so I just did. So there you go, see me putting it on my temples. Now I'm gonna be taking this other oh no, my eyes started to run water, so I went in with that some more. So yeah, so now I'm taking this other liner, right? This is close to the color that I'm using, and I made a boo-boo here, but I didn't show it. I'm not sure what happened to that footage, but I'm sorry. So with the first line that I made it too low, and I didn't like how it was looking, so I just created another line on top. So in order for me to get the first line off, I waited until it was dried, and I got a clean spoolie, and I just brush it out, and yeah, everything was good. So now I'm going back in with the lighter blue, and I'm putting that on my lash line, and then I'm going to be going in with the darker blue and going very close to my waterline with that. Taking any brown, any white, whether kohl pencil or you can use a paint, it doesn't matter. All right, to go on my waterline. Now for the lips. Hello, 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 hello. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. I wanted to do nude lips. I'm a nude lip kind of girl. I don't like fancy, fussy colors on my lips. I just like it simple, right? Top it off with my gloss, and I'm done, right? This is the finished look, y'all. So what do y'all think? I'm bringing more creativity, more fantasy stuff coming up on my channel. I'm going back to the roots of all these things. I still do client makeup if anybody wants to book me. I still teach one-on-one classes if you want to learn how to do your own makeup and all that good stuff. Everything is in the description bar below. And until next time, bye beauties.